Hi there. So on this video we're going to have a look at appointment templates. So it might be that one of your customers has always got a morning visit, there's an attending staff member, and there are certain tasks that they need to do on that morning visit. This allows you to set tasks within that appointment for them to mark as completed or not completed based on their activities during that. So we're going to go to customers and we'll have a look at Joanne Smith here. So on the customer profile, we can see appointment templates just below the calendar. And we've got an appointment template on here already. But this time we're going to create a new one. So we click on the little familiar plus icon just within this appointment templates table. We're going to name it. So we've already got a morning call, so we're going to call this one a tea time call. Put any descriptive text, and usefully this information will always display for the attending staff members. So when they log into the appointment, they'll always see this descriptive text here. So here is a list of the duties that we need to do on the afternoon call. We do a scheduled start time, so this is the earliest the appointment could ever start. So if you know that they're never going to attend before 8 a.m. you could put that, and then scheduled end time, so the latest they would ever finish a call. So if you know that this call would always I've set it as if it's morning here, isn't it? So let's just make this a little better. So we're never going to do a tea time call before, let's say, 2 o'clock, and then we're never going to go finish a tea time call any later than let's say 6 p.m. What this means is that if the visit times are variable, so it might be on a Wednesday they're there at 5 p.m. but on it might be on a Thursday they get there a bit earlier on a 3. It means that anything that it will always look for a call that starts after 2 p.m. and always ends before 6 p.m. So it's to help match those appointments when you're using the appointment importer. We can set an approximate length, so this just helps if you've ever got overlapping calls and one is longer than the other, then it just helps it match better to make sure it matches to the correct appointment. And we can assign the customer. So we've done this from the customer profile, so it automatically sets it as the customer that we're on. But if you suddenly realize that actually you want to build one for a different customer, you can change that from here as well. So we'll just click submit. And now we're in the appointment template. So it saved it as the tea time call. We can see all of that information that we've got here, and we've now got the ability to add some tasks and medications if necessary. So we might just want to add a task on there. Say, let's just have a look. So please attend around tea time. Here is some descriptive text, and we can add an image onto it if you want. So if you've got a relevant image that is useful for that task, you can pop that on there and they'll be able to see it on the appointment as well. We'll just add another one. And you can add medications on there as well. So for the healthcare sector, if you're helping with medications on a day-to-day basis, then you can add these on. So let's just say that you can, if the medication is only to be taken on certain days, you could just click on a Friday, and every time you do appointment imports, it will only ever put it on the Friday calls. But in this case, we're just going to put it on all of them. Locations, so you can add your own custom locations from the settings page if you don't have any on here already. I've just got a couple of examples, so medication might always be taken from an original packaging or a dossier. So I'm just going to pop that this one's in the dossier in this case. And again, you can add images if you like. So this can be really useful if you're applying creams. You can draw a body map to show where those creams are supposed to be taken. Where the cream's supposed to be applied, and then you can just upload that image on here. So I'll just click submit, and then those appear on this now. So every time that we import any calls in the system around the tea time, it will always pull through these tasks and medications on that visit as well. And I don't need to click submit again. Anything that I'm adding onto here automatically adds onto that appointment template. Okay, thank you.